In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect SerpAPI to n8n and unlock its full potential in your workflows. Start by opening your n8n workflow editor. Click the plus button to add a new node. In the search bar, type SerpAPI Official. This is the verified, full-featured integration you should use. You may also see a SerpAPI Google search node, but avoid it. This is a legacy node with limited functionality and incomplete API support. Choosing the SerpAPI Official node ensures access to the complete SerpAPI platform and full workflow capabilities. Once added, you can configure the node to fetch search results, manage queries, integrate real-time search data seamlessly into your automations, and that's it. By selecting the official SerpAPI node, your n8n workflows are ready to leverage powerful, scalable search data efficiently.